Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back. If you don't know me already, my name is Bella. Hello, hi, how you doing? And today's video is a dedicated review to one of my favorite YouTubers. I watch her all the time. I don't know if you know who she is. You probably do if you clicked on this. Baileysarian. She does a murder makeup mystery video every Monday. Well, she came out with a palette with estatecosmetics. So this is today's video, a dedicated review. I did this look off this palette and there'll be a second look towards the end. So stay tuned, bitches. So we're going to do two looks with this palette by Baileysarian. Shada shay, shada shay, shada shay, shada shay, shada shay, shada shay. That's her theme song. I don't know if I'm doing it right, but so here it is. Chime action sounds or bells, whatever. So this is what we're working with. We're gonna do two looks. We're gonna do more of a natural look and more of like a, I don't know, adventurous smoky look. So I already did my makeup for the first look because I wasn't trying to make this video extra long because you guys came here for this. So let's do it. So I already set my lid. I already set my lid with a translucent shade, so I think what I'm going to do is go in with tan lines. That one right there. And I'm going to use like a small blendy brush. We're going to put that in the crease. Next color I'm gonna go with Toasty. And we're gonna take another blendy brush. This is a medium, or I think a medium, I don't know. I'm not a makeup artist, just showing you what I'm using. Same thing, just windshield wiper motions, and I'm bringing this color a little bit higher because that's just my business. Okay, and then for the lid, then we're just gonna go with Ocean Avenue. That reminds me of that, who sang that song? It was a song called Ocean Avenue. Somebody sang. It's like way back from high school. Guys, mold. Oh God, what is my malfunction today? I'm just gonna take my finger, fuck it. That's pretty. I feel like I want to deepen up this moment more, but I'm supposed to do a natural and then a darkness look. So I think we're gonna just leave it like this. I kind of want to deepen it up a little bit with rose tattoo maybe. Let's try that. Let's just take a little bit. Let's not get too crazy now. This is like a really small blending brush. And we're gonna dip into rose tattoo. Who doesn't have a rose tattoo? I have one. That's a cover up. That was like the anniversary date of like my first boyfriend in life ever. It's funny, I literally got it covered up on the same day of that anniversary, like 10 years later. I think it was 10 or 12 years, the exact day of that anniversary. I got that covered up. You know how I go. I don't really think this is doing anything. Hello? Where's the pigment? I guess I see it now because it's a little bit lighter than that brown. It's showing up. It decided to join the party. Alright, I'm gonna do my other eye and I will be back. Okay guys, so I lied. I didn't just do my other eye. I did my whole face. Because guess what? We're doing another look with this palette. And we ain't got all day to be watching me play with my face. So this is the finished look with the colors we just used. I think this eyeshadow palette is really cute. Is it anything like, not really? I mean, honestly, the only reason why I decided to add this to my Ipsy box this month was because it's baileysarian's palette. And I was like, I need that in my life. And that just goes to show the power of your name in branding. Like, if you pop in, put your name on anything, people will buy it. And they will come. Well, let's get into look numero dos. I'll be right back. Gotta wash all this off my face. We gonna start with a clean canvas. Okay guys, so I'm back. A couple things happened. When I was washing my makeup off, it got all over my shirt and it looked gross, so I changed my shirt. We're like doing Tiger King vibes right now, more like Leopard Queen though. And stay hydrated, bitches. This is halfway done. Oh, and then my ADD ass forgot that I was supposed to put on these nails. And yeah, they're on now, so whatever. So let's get into it. We're doing a look number 2 out of the baileysarian Venice Fling palette. I don't know if I talked about this earlier, but she chose this whole theme because of Venice Beach in California. Something about, you know, it being a cute place for date nights or something. But yeah, so it's supposed to, the color story is supposed to mimic what is English? It's supposed to mimic a sunset at Venice Beach. If you've never been to California, then I'll put some footage for you just for that. But it's beautiful. So we already did a nice little natural look. I already primed my lids. For primer, I used the white Morphe concealer. And I set it with my handy dandy Collab powder. And just to like make this video shorter so you don't have to suffer as long through hearing my voice. Okay, so what I'm gonna go in with, we need a matte for a transition shade. I'm like rubbing things off my face because I'm forgetting I have makeup on. What a life to live. What a life to live. I keep forgetting I'm like zoomed in extra and I'm just moving all over the place and cutting myself off. So we're going to go in with a transition shade, and the darkest one in here is Toasty. And Toasty is right here. This is like a very warm, am I pointing at the right thing? It looks so different in the viewfinder. It's like a toasty warm brown, more like on the reddish side. So I just really wish there was like a matte black or gray in here, to be honest, but you know, beggars can't be choosers. So we're gonna go in with Toasty into the, oh my god, Swedish was my first language. Okay guys, sorry, English is like, sometimes my brain is just, it short circuits. So we're gonna go in that crease and windshield wiper motions. And I'm just gonna start off very lightly first, and then we can darken this up. And then after we set it where we want it, I'm just blending the edges and blending the edges. This looks more orange than anything. So, oh boy. There isn't a darker color to really, let's just go straight in with, I want to do this black, but it's shimmer. This black is a shimmer. I want to go in with that or this purple. I'm having a hard time deciding. Ooh, this is like the pain of my existence. Like yesterday I was so hungry, but it took me an hour to decide what to eat. And I just kept looking on DoorDash at all the pictures of the food from like 50 different places. And I just like start a new order and be like, no, I don't want that. And then go to something else. And then like I was just drooling on myself. Anyway, I think we're going to take this Venice Fling color right here. And we're going to add that to... We're gonna add that to the crease. This is not really what I usually do, but we'll make it work. I usually don't like these shimmery shades on my crease and stuff. It's more of a lid shade, but let's see what happens. I know that I'm definitely going for like a nice dark vampy look. That's like my thing. Wow, definitely looking like I got punched in the face by a fairy and then she just like shot some pixie dust on my face. This is a very cute shimmery black shade. I like this a lot actually. It's not hard to blend. I'm just not trying to be too crazy right now. Let's see. What would be a nice transition? We already did the champagne-y. Should we do this gold or this purple color? I think rose tattoo might be cute. I already used that shade. No, we're not, Isabella. Let's go in with this purple. And I'm gonna use, I can't use my fingers. I got claws. I'm gonna take a flat brush and see what that do. Let's see what that do. So we're going into roller skates. She cute. I just wish I had more mesh range. But she cute. I think I'm gonna leave it like this. Cause I feel like if I put that yellow or that gold color, this one's soul, which means sun. If I put that with this, it's just gonna look like Mardi Gras on my face. So yeah, we gonna leave it. We gonna leave it. I'm gonna do the other eye. And I'll be back with the finished look. Okay, hoes. Okay, guys. So, why is this so... Oh, hold on. Let me fix this. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Is that better? Yes. Yes. So we're back. This is the finished makeup look. I know you want to see the eyes. It's most important. Right, that's what you're here for. So this is a finished look. I really like this palette. It's pretty solid. I really have a hard time. I'm having a hard time trying to be completely honest though, because I love baileysarian. She's bomb. She's one of my favorite YouTubers. I love the packaging. This palette is currently sold out though. I like the color story. I mean, I get it once I like understood what she was going for. I just wish this had more matte shades, and I wish this had a matte black or gray, just to blend more. The shadow formula is not a bad formula. It's not a bad formula. I mean, she's cute, you know. Out of a 10, I would probably give this like 6.5, 7-ish. It's not like my favorite palette of all time, but it's a solid palette. Like, especially if you're a beginner, you know, you don't really need to do too much. The pan shades are a good size. It wasn't hard to blend, you know. I've had worse. It's solid. She is 6.5 out of 10. Okay. So y'all guys, you know, thank you for you know, watching and stuff. And if you want to know what I use to do my full face for the first look and the second look, I'll link everything down below. And yeah, you know, stay safe, wear your mask, drink your water, mind your business. I'll see you when I see you. Bye.